Malacanang is firm in its stand that war is not the solution to give justice for the death of the SAF-44. Nel Maribojoc will tell us why.
Presidential spokesman Edwin Lacerda admits it is difficult for them to give out any information as of now regarding the Mama Sapano clash, particularly on the questions that surround the issue. According to Lacerda, we must let the truth come out in the ongoing investigation on the said incident.
All those facts, Chair Iqbal, the MILF, hopefully will be appearing tomorrow to discuss all those matters, what the role of MILF was, why is it that they decided to intervene and join. In fact, that was one of the questions the President was asking MILF. Why did you join when you are not naman the target of the operation? So those are the questions that, hard questions for any sector, for the SAF, for the Army, and for the MILF to respond to.
As of now, according to the Secretary, some issues remain as speculation, and one of these is the alleged involvement of the President and retired PNP Chief General Purisima in the said operation. Malacanang said they understand the sentiments of some group, but their stand remains firm that war is never the solution to give justice on the death of SAF-44.
We need to find justice for them, but we also need to move forward and to realize, is war the solution? Because we are now saying that of what happened, let's find accountability for those who killed the SAF-44.
Malacanang also called the public not to spread the recent video showing the close-up murder of one SAF member on social media anymore.
It's a very difficult situation where you present with all those videos. Whoever uploaded that video is a heartless fellow. And if you still have some humanity left in your soul, then we ask you to take it down.
Nel Maribojoc reporting for Y News.